I am going to implement this step. What is it? That spread operator step. Otherwise, I will give you one more example, then I will implement. We have array 1, maybe 1 comma 2, array 2, 3 comma 4, and array 3, I want 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, it means I want to copy array 1's data, array 2 data into array 3. Okay, so if you take array 1 comma array 2, what will happen? It will what will happen? It will create multi-dimensional array.
It will show two different arrays inside the single.
Exactly. So multi-dimensional. So that the main array having 2 elements, array 1 having 2 elements, array 2 having 2 elements. So you're creating multi-dimensional. Instead of creating multi-dimensional array, I want to dump values. So try to use 3 dots in front of it. So now what happened? Now you're spreading this data 1 comma 2. You're going to spread this 3 comma 4. Now it is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Yeah, please note down this.
This one will show 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, right?
Right. Oh, sorry, array 3.
Can you show the result without the spread?
I will show. Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will copy one more element, one more example. Without spread, okay? It created a multi-dimensional array. The second one. For example, in first example, array of 3 of 0, array of 0, what will print in the console? 1. Here, array 6 of 0, that is the difference. Array of 1 comma 2 will print. That's good.
In this, you have taken array 1 and array 2. You can take also 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. You can take this like this. Better. Okay. So now I am going to use this. Okay. In our example. So when you click on the button, on click, okay. So I'm taking one more function, constant add data. Add data. So you can give that add data here. Okay. I just provided add data. So what I'm trying to do, when you click on this button, I am calling this function. Okay, if you click on this button, I am calling this function, and you no need of synthetic base event, because you no need a reference of that element. If you need reference of an element, you can expect synthetic base event, but for this you no need of synthetic base event. And which one you are going to update? Set data. So I am going to update this variable, right? This array I am going to update. So I have taken set data, and in that I just want to do something. I want to copy this old data. If you update, for example,
Triple dot data.
Triple dot data, exactly. So I just given square bracket, for example. If you click on button, what will happen? It will assign this square data, means you are going to erase everything. Right? You give an empty array. So instead of that, for example, I will show you that. First I will show you, then I will come back to the concept. If you click submit, what will happen? Nothing. This entire list will gone, because you are assigned empty array. So now I want to copy the old data. For that, you have to give dot 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 data. Okay. Comma will add. So now I don't have any data loss because I copied already. I copied the data. Now add, what is that? Name. That's it. Your task is over. So add something AAA, click on submit, which is added. That's it. Our complete our task. Yeah, I'm going to the code. Save once. I think you will not save. That's completed. Okay. So, if you want to do with multi-text box, we can,
name has to be changed, and then we can
yeah. But when you're doing multi-text box, don't take single element like this. Array of objects. Array of objects. So every object having, for example, name, age properties. First text box data, you will assign to the name. Second text box data, you will assign to the age. And when you click on submit, you have to add object at the end of this array.
So both will be displayed for simultaneously.
Yeah. So try to show the data in the form of table. So that is your assignment. Okay. So otherwise I will tell you, no problem. In the next class I will tell you. But try to do that. Okay. Done. Good.